Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. My wife and I have had a dream of cruising the Caribbean. We fell in love with this beautiful Regal 4260. Unfortunately, over the last 20 years, it had fallen into a state of disrepair. Join us on our journey as we restore this amazing boat and fulfill our fantasy of traveling through the Caribbean. On today's video, join us as we cruise the Intercoastal and celebrate our good friend Nadya's birthday. Sometimes, no matter how much you want to show your passengers a good time, the weather just won't cooperate. Today we had cold temperatures, high seas, and occasional rain showers. But with great friends, good food, and enough alcohol, we still had a wonderful time. It's important to remember that even when you're doing the unpleasant parts of boat ownership, to remember why you bought a boat in the first place. While the girls were washing the front of the boat, I got started on a video that I was going to make on replacing the oil temperature and cinder unit. When I raised the engine hatch, I noticed that water was leaking onto the generator. I'd always wondered why there was a plastic cover over the generator. I decided to investigate further. There was a channel for the water to drain with a T-valve that drained overboard. I decided that that's where I'd start my investigation. I soon realized that I was way too impatient to continue using a screwdriver. If you notice something unusual in that water drainage track, well, I now have a new pocket knife. As the old saying goes, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. Unfortunately, the drain above that T-fitting was filled with debris. Not only am I going to have to clean it out, but because it was blocked up, water was draining into the engine compartment. And now there are rust issues that I'm going to have to deal with. Now, to finish the other side and get back out on the water. We'd like to thank our Patreon subscribers for helping to make this possible. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And comment in the comment section below what you'd like to see in a future video. In closing, we are truly blessed to have some amazing friends. Here's to wishing you a happy birthday, Nadya.